Hello guys, first of all let me introduce myself. My name is Estri Blange. I'm from Islamic State University. And now what I'm going to do now to tell you about teaching and learning vocabulary effectively. As we know, vocabulary learning is important in foreign language. From article that I got talking about the importance of vocabulary in language learning and how improving and developing of vocabulary and how to taught vocabulary. First article in the title of this article is the importance of vocabulary in language learning and how to be taught. In EFL and ESL, learning vocabulary item is important to all language skill. A good teacher should prepare himself or herself with various up-to-date techniques. Teachers need to be able to master the important in order to be understood by students and make them interested and happy in teaching and learning process in the classroom. There are several techniques of this teaching vocabulary. First, using object, drawing, using illustration and pictures, contrast, enumeration, mime, expression and gesture, guessing from the context, electing, and translation. And the second article is improving vocabulary learning in foreign language, learning through reciprocal teaching strategy. We know reciprocal teaching strategies is one of the most effective methods for teaching a foreign language. There are three main important models in vocabulary learning. There are repetition, revising, and instructional methods which improve activities in learning, such as making mental definition and picture for learners and have to be provided. And the third article is building vocabulary for language learning. Approach for ESL learners to study new vocabulary. Strategies to learn vocabulary, there are involve choice, be complex, gain knowledge about the strategies and advantage from training, and expand the effectiveness of learning new vocabulary and vocabulary use. And the fourth article is developing English vocabulary mastery through meaningful learning approach. In this article, we can make and enrich the student vocabulary mastery more creative and interesting. We can apply a REACT concept. R for relating, A from experiencing, A from applying, C for cooperating, and T for transferring. In the last article is the impact of watching subtitle animated cartoons on incidental vocabulary learning of ELT students. In this study, aims to find out whether watching subtitle cartoons influence incidental vocabulary learning. There are several studies that focus on the effect of subtitle or caption on comprehension in reading, listening, vocabulary acquisition. For the conclusion, vocabulary learning is important in foreign language. The teacher should prepare and find out the appropriate technique. We can teach vocabulary with reciprocal strategies. We can apply REACT concept if we can develop our student vocabulary, and subtitle and caption are powerful instructional tools in learning vocabulary and improving reading and listening comprehension skill of a language learner. I think that's all for me. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.